In this video, I'm going to show you how to gamify your LMS or your online course with achievements. So let's say you want somebody to earn an achievement badge after they complete lesson 3. Well, how do you do that? So in the back end here, we just go to engagements and then achievements. So first let's create the achievement. We'll call this lesson 3 success. And we'll give it a title. And a little more information. And instead of using this stock image, let's actually use one we already have here in our media library. You get these images as part of Lifter LMS Pro, by the way, and in a bunch of different colors as well too. And we're going to publish that lesson 3 success achievement badge. Now we need to set up an engagement to deliver that. So if we go to our engagements, and we'll call this lesson 3 success badge. And we want to give an achievement. We want to give this achievement. We want to deliver it instantly. And we want to do it off of lesson completion. So we want to do this off of lesson 3 in the health and fitness course. Right here. So let's publish that achievement. And now let's see what that looks like on the front end of the website. So if I go to my health and fitness course, and I haven't taken lesson 3 yet, so I'm going to watch this video. And after I get to the end of that video, I would mark this lesson as complete. And then from there, next time I go to my student dashboard, I would see that I have earned this achievement badge. And that's just another way to gamify your learning management system, your online course, or your membership site, and to keep your students engaged and excited about your material.